Ayan, medyo malinaw na.
Yes, so, Miss Maria, by the way, this is Brian Go once again. From the credit card division po ng Banco de Oro.
Okay.
So, Miss Maria, we would like to confirm, ito na na-call po from the Banking Department. Regarding po ito, Miss Maria, ito po the incident case report that was happened po under the account. So, meron po ba tayong authorized transaction that was happened earlier in the report? Dito po sa online betting site. Then, to that online casino, authorized po ba ito, Miss Maria?
Wala naman akong transaction na ginawa for today.
Okay, that is Maria. Awal po ba tayo with the total transaction amount po? 55,000 pesos from the online betting site rented and online casino. Ito po yung amount number yung bakit po kami directly na amount po sa to validate. Ito po closing transaction.
55,000? Ano naman yung binili sa 55,000?
As per getting po dito, pinakang po yung closing transaction na directly. Hindi po natin pwedeng approval or verification with a different mobile number po.
Good. Okay na yan. Sige, huwag nyo nang i-approve kasi wala naman akong binili talaga eh.
Yes, Mr. Ria, kabuya po ba tayo with the mobile number 0905-257-5537 na result kung bakit po kung hindi na-rated po ng red card over the system.
Hindi. Wala kaming ganyan number.
Then, magpakontrol po tayo. Yung registered na po yung po sa amin. Isa po ko directly na tumawag dito po 0939-442-9846. Tama naman po.
Yes.
Okay, so Ms. Maria, that's the case we will be having a pre-immediate classification investigation together po ito with the Anti-Cybercrime Department para po totally mag-double check po natin.
Sige. Tatawag na lang ako sa video hotline. Alison, pakikuha mo yung landline natin para matawagan ko na yung hotline. Okay na, sige. Tatawag ako sa video hotline. Thank you sa pag-inform.